Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, ladies and gentlemen, news. Get in my car this morning and the check engine light comes on. Now, I was on my way to work driving, no problems, and all of a sudden in stop and go traffic the check engine light comes on, and I don't know why it came on, but I have no stored messages. If you look, I went to stored messages and there is none, so I guess that's a good thing. I guess it does not mean that every single time your check engine light comes on you will have a stored message. I'm sure it does not mean that necessarily, but I would think if it was something serious there would have been a stored message. Now, you also get an actual VHR report, a vehicle health report that you should get an email about, and I have not received an email. I checked my email, I didn't see anything. I usually do. There she is right there. The needle has to be a little up before you can see it. Not sure with this sunlight if you guys can pick that up, but that's what I'm dealing with right now, a check engine light. And I just got my oil changed not too long ago, so I don't really need to go into the dealership or anything for a while, but I'm gonna have to go for this. So let's see what happens when I go check this out, and I'll keep you guys posted on what the problem was. So, like I said, definitely a good thing that I got no stored messages. Let's see if tomorrow when I go to start up the car, it stays that way. But in the meantime, I'll just keep it monitored. The way how they have this check engine light, it hides right under the needle, the RPM needle, so you kind of have to rev the RPMs. As you can see, you rev the RPMs, you can see it pretty good like that, but other than that, you can't really see. You just see a bottom piece of it. But I got a tone this morning, a little bell, and then looked to the left, and great, it was on. So I was not happy, but I'll just stay positive and just hope that it's nothing serious, and we'll take it from there. I've had the car coming up on 2 years, I mean, the car has been in cold weather like this. It's 25 degrees out. It was 19 this morning. So, you know, it could just be something with the computer, or maybe it could be something minor, but my car is still on a warranty, so we'll definitely see what's going on when I go check these guys out. I got the car washed last night. I'll bring you guys around and show you how she looks. She does have a little dust on her, but for the most part, she's still washed. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this upload. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be a wrap.